So this house is ready to be moved into. If you're looking for a house and you're looking for a house right away, not have to do a bunch of stuff to it, this is it. Has a metal roof, vinyl siding, has a basement that is not a living space. It's just for storage. If you notice, it's really tall. This is in the 100-year floodplain. So if you have to borrow money, you do have to have flood insurance. But all these rooms are really nice, as you can tell here in this living room. It's very spacious. There are 2 nice sized rooms. As you can see, the flooring has been redone recently. This bathroom is in great shape, has a big walk-in shower, nice tile work in this room. It's just a really, really nicely done bathroom, as you can tell. It is situated right in between 2 different bedrooms and right off the living room. So super easy to get to, which can be very important. The kitchen. The kitchen is a very convenient room as well. Lots of kitchen cabinetry, so lots of storage space. And if you notice there's lots of countertop space right there for working. There's also storage off of this room here. And then you've got the laundry room right off the kitchen, which makes it super handy. If you're kitchen and you're doing some stuff there in the kitchen and you need to get to it in a hurry, there it is. Nice sunroom. Florida rooms, what a lot of people will call those, and you can sit out there and enjoy the yard and everything whenever it's bad weather. Carport. Off-street parking in town is important, so you can also go in and finish that off and make a garage out of it if you chose to. Nice level lots, easy to take care of, and it has steps on the front and the back, so easy to get in and out of this house. So anyway, whenever you're ready to take a look, you give Old Fences Realty a call, and we will get you in there and let you sneak a peek at it. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm Mike Greenlee, broker for Old Fences Realty. Thank you for watching.